Nagbasit metikwana. Sabong laeg. What's our Ilocano WLTD? It has something to do with this plant. Nakaad-ado ti sabong na daytoy ni. Nakitam? Nakitam? So our Ilocano WLTD is sabong. Sabong. What is sabong, Mudra? We have to ask Mudra. Well, that's Tagalog word for sabong, bulaklak, or in English, it's flower. Ipakita kinyada dagitoy sabong. Ipakita kinyada dagitoy sabong, or ipapakita ko sa kanila itong mga bulaklak. Nagbabasit dagiti sabong na. So that's all for our Ilocano WOTD. Babush!